Hey everybody, it's the Makeup Jeannie here. Today we're going to be going over a monthly subscription. This one is called the Silver Trend. This is actually my third box. The first box I got was just fashion jewelry, and I wasn't real happy because that's not how I read the description. But for a little more money, you can get the mystery silver box. Right here it tells you the different packages they have. This one here says it's the Beauty and Silver Mystery Box for, I have to get close, for $21.99 a month. And you never know what you're going to get in them. So we're going to open this up. Now I will have to say they were really nice. They ended up shipping me. They took the money because I had prepaid ahead, and since I wasn't happy with the fashion, they took that money and combined it and sent me the fashion jewelry box. Well, they told me they were going to upgrade the one and send it, and then they were going to send me another one with the remainder of the money with no extra charge. Well, I never did get the one. It had a shipping label and stuff sent to me, but it never showed it was shipped out, so they resent me a new box and added an extra sterling silver item in it. So I just wanted to say that real quick. Okay, so here's a cute little bag. It says that it's handmade underneath. I wish things didn't come in the crinkly paper, but that's all right. It comes with a eyebrow and eyelash brush there. It also has a little brush and brush. I'm not going to be keeping those, I'm sure. Okay, let's see where to start with. We will start with this item first. Geo Girl. This is Pacific World Corp. Cream Rose Eco Blush. So it is a cream blush. It's a very pretty color. Really, really pretty. I guess I haven't sampled it, but I guess I can go ahead and we can even, yeah, get that to show. Put the lid back on. Can y'all see the pink just a tad on my hand? Yeah. Okay. Then it also came with, most of my products that's come from them so far I've noticed is hard candy, and I don't know if it's a brand that's sold in Walmart or if you can get it at Ulta or Sephora. I'm not really sure. That's terrible since I'm doing a makeup video that I don't know that. I've heard of hard candy before now, and I'm pretty sure I did used to buy it at Walmart. I just don't remember seeing it anytime recently. So this is a darling lip gloss. Candy Baby is the name, and it is cute. It has the etchings around, so it looks like little diamonds, even though it's just diamond etched. There's no rhinestones on it, but it's really cute. Like the color. It's a cross between a pink and a peach. I'm not sure what you'd want to call it. A peach. Okay, this one is another, I believe, Echo Girl. Has a little gecko on it. Now this one I did open and sample because this is called VBS Lip Gloss Orangerine. Smells just like oranges. So I like that. Really nice. Then they also, I guess, partner with Avon. I have a little tiny sample here of a lipstick. It's a brownish, I can't doesn't twist. Let me turn the chair. Okay. And sorry for the bruises there. Alright. And for those who are watching, yes, I had a procedure done Wednesday in the hospital. That's why, hence the bruises. There's bruises all over this arm as well. Mainly, that's where she started an IV, but then blew the vein. And she had to put it in the other arm. There you go. You can kind of see where it's the reddish at the one part, and then it's all icky green and yellow all over. I have great veins. They have wonderful pressure. They do not roll. But ever since I was little, when they put IVs in me, if they go with a gauge that's too big, you might as well forget it. It just pops my vein every time. So that's it. But I am doing great for those who responded, and I really do appreciate it. Really, really do appreciate it. Okay, these are called Popping Pigments by Hard Candy. It's a turquoise and pearl-esque looking color. It doesn't have, it just says 601. There's no name that I see. Oh, yes, it is. Sugar and Spice, unless that's the line for all of them. Not sure. That'll probably be in a giveaway because I have a ton of loose pigments already, but I love loose pigments if y'all watched any of my videos. Okay, then there are some samples down here. These are all, I believe, for perfume samples, and they're all Avon. Okay, first thing I love, this is fashion jewelry. I'm going to go ahead and drop it out of the package so I can get them straight. I'm going to see if they do okay in my ears, because typically I cannot wear anything other than gold. Sometimes I can get away with sterling silver. These are not, and they don't say that they're what is that called? Hypoallergenic. It doesn't say that. But they are absolutely gorgeous. The next item is a sterling silver. It says it's sterling silver. It's supposed to be sterling silver. It feels weird to me. But I will put it. Can y'all see that? It's a pearl, and then it has little rhinestones going around the top. Block the light out there. Not sure how much of the ring showed up. Did you get it? It's a sterling silver ring with a pearl and little rhinestones going around it and down the sides. Last one. I love these to death. My gamer tag is Swan Song. And these are little, oh, you can't see them. Oh my God. They are little tiny swans. That camera's not going to focus if I go in with them. So hopefully y'all can see that on the screen. But they are adorable. Their bodies are little rhinestones, pear-shaped rhinestone, and then, of course, their heads and bodies are sterling silver. So that is this box from Silver Trend. Trying to get everything back in here. So okay, so y'all let me know what you think about that one. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, especially if you want to be entered into the giveaway that includes over 200 items. Thumbs up my video.